In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to use Smartsheet project tracking in Rollup using one of Smartsheet's built-in templates. This is perfect if you're managing multiple projects, want a high-level dashboard view, and need automatic roll-ups without building everything from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up and where to find the key information. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. Once the page loads, sign into your Smartsheet account using your email and password. If you're already logged in, you'll land directly on your Smartsheet home screen, where you can see your recent sheets, workspaces, and dashboards. From the Smartsheet home screen, look toward the top left area and click on Add. This is where you can create new sheets, reports, dashboards, or use templates. Clicking Add opens up several creation options. Next, click on View All Templates. This takes you to the Smartsheet template gallery, where you can browse and search templates built for different use cases, like project management, operations, marketing, and more. Once you're in the template gallery, go to the search bar and type the word Project. This filters the templates and makes it easier to find project-focused solutions. In the search results, look for the template called Project Tracking and Rollup. This template is designed to help you manage multiple projects and automatically roll up progress, status, and key metrics into a central dashboard. Click on Project Tracking and Rollup, then select Create from Template. Smartsheet will ask you where you want to save it and may prompt you to name your workspace or sheets. Review the options, make any adjustments if needed, and then click Done. After the template is created, Smartsheet will open the project sheet, often in gantt view. Here you can see tasks, timelines, dependencies, and project structure. This is where you'll customize task names, owners, start dates, end dates, and statuses to match your actual project details. Now, to see the rolled up view, click on Dashboard, Project Tracking and Rollup. This dashboard is one of the most powerful parts of the template. It automatically pulls data from your project sheets and displays high-level metrics like overall progress, project status, and timelines. As you update tasks in the project sheet, the dashboard updates automatically. You can further customize this dashboard by editing widgets, changing charts, or adding new metrics that matter to your team. This makes it easy to share progress with stakeholders without giving them access to every individual sheet. And that's how you use Smartsheet project tracking and Rollup using the built-in template. This approach saves time, keeps everything organized, and gives you clear visibility across all your projects. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.